Hello everybody, I'm Bo, and today we're going to talk about electronic control modules. Acting as the brain of your equipment, ECMs monitor engine data and communicate programmed tasks, all to keep your machine or engine operating throughout your working environment. By that same token, Cat Reman ECMs are designed to perform like new for a fraction of new price with core return, withstanding shock, extreme vibration, thermal cycles, and harsh conditions. Through our remanufacturing process, ECMs are washed and sandblasted. Then they're flashed, diagnosed, and tested to judge performance capabilities. Next, they're disassembled down to the circuit board with components updated to meet the latest engineering and software specifications. After reassembly, ECMs are vibration and leak tested before they receive a Cat Reman part number. Once validated, ECMs are available to customers as a Cat Reman part with a same-as-new Caterpillar limited warranty. Want to know more? Reach out to your local authorized Cat dealer with any questions and check out the latest resources on cat.com/reman.